How many sections, how many homework you have done in chapter 2? Based on the syllabus, today we should start chapter 3. It's a very fast-paced course. If you are still on chapter 1, you are behind. You should finishing chapter 2 at this point. How about let's do 2.3? What do you think?
Yeah.
Or do you have any questions you want to help with, and we can look at it together here? Okay, let's start 2.3, all right? We have 31 problems here. And those operation, you can do that yourself. Those are very basic. 5. Okay. The set of all elements in a universal set that are not in set A is called, what do we choose? The set of elements not in A, but in U. U is a universal set. Inverse, complement, supplement, negation, or reciprocal. Are you with me? Hello? Hello?
Okay.
Yeah.
Hello?
So, yeah, which one do you choose this question? The set of elements not in A.
Not in this set. Complement.
Complement, exactly. Complement of A. And is symbolized by what? A prime, right?
Symbol.
A prime. Okay. The formula for the cardinal number of elements in set A or set B is this. Okay? Think about the area. Think about the area. I have this formula explained in my video. I make a video every day, and I hope you watch them. I spend time to make those videos, explain the basics. Any question about this problem? The cardinal number of A or B is the sum of a cardinal number of A and the cardinal number of B, but minus the cardinal number of A and B. Okay, you help me with this one. A, B are given. Choose the correct universal set below. How do you understand the definition of a universal set?
It contains all sets. So it should be of all the sets that's discussed. So D.
D is missing yellow. Do you see yellow in D?
No.
So D is incorrect. D
Mm.
is missing yellow, color yellow.
C, set of all elements.
All elements. Let's try. No.
Darn it. I mean, I guess the set of all colors. It's not primary colors because black isn't a primary, I don't think. Isn't red and blue and green? Or wait, red, yellow, and blue.
Is B. The set of all colors. That makes more sense. Very good. Very good. Thank you for paying attention. This one, choose the correct universal set below. Water,
D.
soda, tea. The last one,
Yes.
the set of all drinks. Awesome. Okay, how do we find the prime? A prime. What's A prime mean again? A prime means the complement of A. A prime is the set of elements in U but not in A. Yeah. So I wish I can just cross out. I have this explained in my video. In U, just cross out the elements in A and type the rest elements in A prime. We do not include
Oh.
A, we do not include B, but we have C, right? We do not include D, but we have E.
Right.
And F, but not G. You see that? U has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 elements. A has 4 elements. Yeah, remove the 4 elements from U, the rest 3 elements make A prime. We understand A prime now, right? Yeah, A prime is the complement of A. C prime. That's just a little bit time consuming. We do not include 1, but we have 2. Not 3, but we have 4. Oh, so all the even numbers.
Yeah,
right?
all the even numbers.
Yeah. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. And that's it. A intersect B. This notation, between sets A and B, we have a upside down U. That notation represents the intersection of A and B. Intersection of A and B. It is a set of the common elements of A and B. So if we have two sets A and B, look for their common elements. Yeah, any elements in common, and then include those common elements in the set.
Be 1 and 2.
1 and 2, exactly. Awesome. Perfect. 1, comma, 2. Perfect. If we have a right side up U between A and B, that notation represents the union of A and B. Union of A and B means A or B. It includes all the elements in A or in B or in both. Yeah. So as long as the elements appears in A or in B, then they are gonna all go inside the A or B. So we should have 1, we should have 2, we should have 3 because 3 is in B. We should have 4, 4 is in A. We should have 5, 5 is in B. And we should have 6, 6 is in A. Yeah, and that's it. Is that clear about union? And for this question, okay, let's see. Yes, okay, thank you, Lauren. And this question, we need a little bit of work. I would copy paste. Let's see if the system let me copy paste. In the past, because I have too many open, it doesn't let me. Okay. This is our syllabus. I'm not going to work on that. We can work on this package. Okay, so we are looking for A prime and B prime. So the intersection of A prime and B prime. A prime and B prime are not given. We have to spend time to find it out. Okay, can you help me to find out what is A prime and B prime? From U cross out elements in A, the rest elements form A prime. So A prime should have a 1, 4, and 6, right? Yeah, 2, 3, 5, 7, 1, 4, 6. Okay. B prime, from universal set, we get rid of 2, 4, 7. 2, 4, 7. The rest of elements gives us B prime. So we have a 1, 3, 5, 6, right? Yes. Am I right?
Yes.
Yeah, this is what I would do. So I want to find a B prime. Okay. Course 2, course 4, course 7. So B prime is 1, 3, 5, 6. And then I erase. Yeah, erase this. Okay, with A prime, B prime found, we can quickly find A prime and B prime, the intersection. Let's see what's their common elements. We have a 1 in common, we have a 6 in
6.
common, and that's it, right? Yeah, just the 1 and 6. Yeah, 2 elements, 1 and 6. Yeah, many questions, they take a little bit of effort, and not just one step you're done. Some basic problem, yes, just one step. You don't even need a scratch paper. But many other problems, you need some work on the scratch paper, like what I just did here, right? In order to find the intersection of A prime and B prime, we need to write A prime and B prime first on the scratch paper, and then figure out their common elements. So this one,
Okay.
we have 6. 1, 6. Next, we are looking for A or C prime. A or C prime. Yeah. We need a scratch paper, right? Yeah. You need a scratch paper. Don't guess. You guess, you lose the point. I wish I could just write on the screen, but it doesn't work. I have to copy paste. Copy paste here. So we are looking for A or C prime. Then find the C prime.
Okay.
From universal set, get rid of 7, 6, 14, 11, 10. The rest elements give us C prime. They are 9, 20, 22. So that's C prime, right? Yeah, we are looking for A or, this is A.
C, E.
A or, yeah, A or C prime, the union. So we are not looking for the common elements. We are looking for the elements in A or C prime. So we should have 9, we have 20, we have, oh, they are the same. Did you see that? Do you see A and C prime the same thing? Right? Yeah. So if we have a yes, what's the question? Yeah, it's 9, 20, 22. Yeah. Doesn't matter if they are the same, the union, of course, is just the same set. 9, 20, 22. Nine, comma, 20, comma, 22. Okay, you help me out with this one. A or empty. Yeah. What do we have if we union a set, let's say A, with an empty set? Yeah, what would we have? What is the A or empty? A or empty. Would the empty set contribute to A or empty? Do we have elements in the empty set? Yeah, there's a formula if you are interested, please write it down. For any A set A union empty set is still A. But if it's A intersect empty set, we have empty set. Right? Yeah. The set of A or empty, well, there's no elements in the empty set, so it doesn't contribute. So the result is just A. But if we are taking the intersection of A and the empty set, then we get the empty set because there's the common element of A and the empty set does not exist, right? Does that make sense? Yeah. Please include those two formulas in your note. With that set, A union empty set is just A, but do not enter A here. Yeah, read the details in the parentheses. Use a comma to separate answers as needed. So we have to type in 1, 2, 5, 6. Oh, no comma once we finish the last element. Questions, guys? First again? Are we good? By the way, you should look at the syllabus. You should always look at the syllabus. Keep yourself on track, not falling behind. By the syllabus, today we should start chapter 3. We should start chapter 3 today. That formula helped. Okay, thank you, Lauren. This is the question A and U. Okay, so we can add more formulas. So any set union the universal set. Yeah, so you see the difference between the union notation and the universal set U. I put a bar above this U. So this is a universal set. Will give us the universal set. If any set intersect with the universal set, we have A. And two sets of formulas. This is one set, this is another set. A universal set includes all the elements in discussion being considered. A or U gives us U. A and U gives us A. Okay, yeah. Include those formulas in your note, make sense of it, and apply it when it applies. So this one, A intersect U would give us A, right? Yeah. A is 4, 5, 6, 7. A intersect U is A. A intersect U is A. And we have the Venn diagram. We need to find the elements in A. What is it? Use the Venn diagram to represent A in raster form. We have 3, we have 4, we have 8, we have 10. Correct? Yes?
Yes.
Yeah, all the elements fall in the circle of A. Universal set, then all the elements in the box, in the rectangular box. We have 1, we have 4, we have 8, 12. Yeah, I follow the order from left to right. It's pretty organized this way. And then we have 15, 16, 21. But don't forget, we have 24 and 26. Yeah, we
Oh,
have
okay.
two. Yeah, outside the two circles. They also are in the box. All the elements in the box. 1, 4, 8, 12, 15, 16, 21, 24, 26. Set B, all the elements in B. Well, let me see how do we find it. Oh, it's right here. Theta is right here. Yeah. The system give you the convenience. Theta, word 3, word 4, and word 8. Yeah, do not enter, by the way, do not enter this, okay? 3, 4, 8, no. You have to keep the elements. Don't change it randomly. Is theta, the English word 3, English word 4, and English word 8. Those 4 elements are in B. A or B, A or B, all the elements in this area. Are you able to see when I'm tracing the area, the boundary of the area? Yeah, I have this very clearly explained in my video. So we have pound sign. Where is the pound sign? Pound sign. Oh, above 3. So shift 3. We have that. We have a percent sign. Percent sign. We have the delta. Delta is here. We have 3, 6, 8. Let me know. Do you see the region representing A or B? And I'm tracing the boundary of the region. Yeah, please watch my video. I post the video based on the syllabus. For example, today the syllabus says 3.1, and this early afternoon I just uploaded 3.1. So you should watch it right after I post it, and you don't fall behind. So this is A or B. Okay. Oops, what happened? A or B. And we have pound sign. I did space here.
You
Percent.
misspelled 8.
I misspelled A. Thank you. Yeah, EIGHT. Perfect. Thank you.
Oh,
Yeah, even just a little bit I misspell, it doesn't count it right? Yeah, we have to be very careful. Number of elements. So that's cardinal number. Cardinal number. Okay, so let me copy paste. We are going to use the formula. Okay, we are looking for, we need to be aware this question is asking us to find cardinal number of A or B. And we have a formula for that. Yeah, the formula is n of A plus n of B minus n of A and B. Yeah, again, my video has the details explaining why. Well, let's see if n of A is given. N of A, the cardinal number of A. Set A contains 18 elements. Okay, so n of A is 18, right? What is n of B? Set B contains 19 elements. Okay, 19. And what is n of A and B? A and B. 9 elements are common of to sets A and B. So cardinal number of A and B is 9, right? So just plugging in. We have all the 3 numbers found, which is plugging in here. So we have n of A 18 plus n of B 19 minus n of A and B 9, and that gives us 28, right? 28. Yeah, you need to use a scratch paper and write a formula and plug in the values in the formula. 28. Set A contains 8 letters and 9 numbers. Set B contains 9 letters and 1 numbers. 0 letters and 1 number are common to both sets A and B. Find the number of elements in A or B. Okay, similar with earlier, I would let you to do this problem.
This is the only one I missed when I was doing the homework. This is the one I couldn't get right no matter what.
Okay, then let's do that together. So that means the elements equals the letters and the numbers. Okay, what is n of A? Not 8, not 9. Is 8 plus 9, 17. Do you agree? Set A contains 8 letters and 9 numbers. 8 plus 9, 17. So the cardinal number of A is 17. Yeah. N of B. B contains 9 letters, 1 number. Together 10 elements, right? Yeah, cardinal number of B is 10. And let's see what is N of A and B. Means common. They have 0 letters in common, but they have 1 numbers in common. So A and B has cardinal number 1. Do you agree so far? Yeah? Okay. So formula. I recommend every time you use the formula, you write it down. And so when you write the formulas more times, you would remember the formula. You will not forget it. Yeah. Equals A, n of A plus n of B minus n of A and B. A and B. Okay. Plugging in. N of A 17, n of B is 10 minus n of A and B 1. 26, right? Yeah, it's the same with earlier. 26.
Okay.
Yeah. You know, I wish all of you, already have those figures, and you come with when we meet every day 6 p.m. You tell me I need help with this question. Okay, let's work on that question, and you tell me you need help with that question. Then we don't waste time.
Yeah.
Okay, so 23. And this one, we are looking for B union U. I have a formula for that, right? B union U. Any set union universal is universal. Well, in the formula, I use A, but it's the same thing. Yeah, any set, A represents any set. Any set union U is just a U. So if B union U, the result is still U. Yeah, you're gonna know the answer is U. And U is all the natural numbers less than 7. There we go. Right? D. Do you agree? Yeah, we don't even have to take time to look at ABC. No, not at all. If you know the formulas, B union U is U, then U is given. Another way, or the raster format of the universal set is all the elements, yeah, less than 7, and in the natural number set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Are you good with this question? Okay. And this question, we need a scratch paper. Yeah, we need a scratch paper for if the combination is more complicated. Do it again. Copy, paste. Okay. Okay, do you see the structure of the set? Do you see the structure here? It is A union another set. What is another set? Another set is the complement of A union B. Okay, so that's a structure. Yeah, that's a union. This is a union. Union of the first component set is A. The second component set is this guy. It's more complicated. All right, so we are going to start from finding A or B. A union B, okay? Look at A or B. This region, I'm going to tracing the boundary of the region that representing A. Okay, this is A or B. Whatever elements in the area, in the region with that boundary is in A or B. So we have 2, 6, 7, 11, 15, 16, 20, right? Yeah, that's A or B. Well, now we get A or B taken care of. Upon A or B, we apply complement. So now we are going to find out what's the complement of A or B. Okay, what's the complement of A or B? Complement of A or B is to remove all those elements from the universal set, from the box. Yeah, look at in the box, which elements they are not in the A or B. Those green, right? Yeah. So those elements are in the complement of A or B. So they are 22, 25, 29, 37, 43. And we are looking for the union of A. Yeah, I'm going to write A as well. A has 2, 6, 7, 11, 15, 16. Yeah, we are looking for the union, union of A and this guy, the complement of A or B. Yeah, we are taking the union of those two sets. Then the answer is gonna be a set including 2, 6, 7, 11, 15, 16, 22, 25, 29, 37, 43. Okay? Yeah, 2, 6, 7, 11, 15, 16. 16. Oh, only 20 is omit. Yeah, 20 is not included. Only 20. All right, so let's enter those elements. We have 2, 6, 7, 11, 15, 16, 22, 25, 29, 37, 43. All right, am I clear about this problem?
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The order, yeah, the order of doing the problem is very important. The order. It is a multiple step process.
Who studied on Saturday and Sunday?
Yeah. Saturday or Sunday. Saturday or Sunday. Okay. So Hannah, Anya, Alan, Brian, Mary, Kelly. Those six actually. Six students, they study on Saturday or Sunday, right? Let me type their names. Do not type their names wrong. Hannah, Anya, Alan, Brian, Mary, Kelly. Okay. Okay. And this is to find the set of students who studied Saturday and Sunday. Who study on both days?
Anya and Alan.
Perfect. And let me check, do we have more students join us? Oh, Carly is here. And remind me, if you are late, remind me because I have to mark your attendance. I'm writing it on my paper and then later enter in Starfish. So, okay, we have everybody today. And this one, the bar graph shows the percentage of citizens of a particular region by age group supporting legalized marijuana for 4 selected years from 69 through 15. Use the information in the graph to write the following sets in raster format or express the set as the empty set. Click. I need to find a place to put this graph. How do we? This is a big graph. Make it smaller. Okay, let's see what we need. Select the correct choice below, and if necessary, fill in the answer box to complete your choice. Solution is empty. A is. So what are we looking for? We are looking for the intersection of the two sets. Oh yeah, yeah, intersection. Intersection set notation symbol is right here. Okay. Oh, I think we need a copy paste. Let's work on it on my OneNote. And then I'm going to get a graph. Here. How do I make it bigger? This one? Okay. Okay, let's figure out the two sets in the raster format. The first one, X is a year in which more than 45% of age group 18 to 34 supported legalization. More than 45. This is a 45. Age group 18 to 34. 18 to 34, so the blue, right? Yeah, the blue.
Mm-hmm.
So which year in which more than 45% of blue supported legalization? So 2001 and 2018, right?
Yeah.
2020, which year? 15. Yeah, in total we have 4 years. We have 4 years. And 1969 is lower than 45% for sure. And 1985 is also lower because it says 44 here, right? 44 is lower than 45. Yeah. So only 2001 and 2015. Yeah. So that is the first set. We are going to union. A second set. A second set is the years in which less than 25%. 65 plus. 65 plus is yellow. Okay, yellow. Now we are looking at yellow. Less than 25%. Let 25% is between that. Yellow, lower than 25%. So we have 1969. We have 1985. We have 2001. Yeah, we have those 3 years, less than 25%. Yeah, 2015 go above 25%. All right, so that is the two sets involved. We are looking for the intersection. Which year is common?
2001.
2001. Yeah,
2001.
so yeah, exactly. So the resulting set, the set we are looking for, has one element only. The one element is 2001. We're going to choose this one and enter 2001 here, right? Yeah. You're gonna have to spend time to understand the questions and the graphs. Yeah. Looks like a very too much, but it's just a union problem. It's a union set problem. It's the same type, same graph, I hope. How about you do this yourself? Yeah, this time you're also intersection. Earlier is intersection, sorry. This one is union. This one is union. More than 45, less than 25. Okay, so I assume it's the same graph. Okay, let's bet on it. Let's assume it's the same graph. So this time we are looking for union. Yeah, for the union. A union B. Then we should have 1969, 1985, 2001, and 2015. All the 4 years. Yeah. So let's enter that. I assume this is just same graphs, same information. So we have 1969. We have 1985. 1985. Let me look at the graph. 2001. 2001. What's the reason it doesn't let me continue here? something wrong with the. Let me
Mm-hmm.
make it smaller. Yeah, that would work. Yeah, make it smaller. 2001 and 2015. Control. The control key help us to amplify or zoom in or zoom out. Let me zoom out, zoom in a little bit. Describe what is meant by a universal set. Provide an example. Okay, guys, you read it and tell me what's your answer.
I got A.
Color. Yeah, also read the examples. What about D, the last one? Which one is better?
Let me see. I think it's C. No.
C?
No.
No, not C.
I think it's A. Sorry.
D is all common. Okay, contains all elements common to all. No. Not C, not D. Universal is the set of elements having a characteristic. Has to be A. Yeah.
It have to be A.
Okay, very good.
So this is so funny because I put B and my answer was right.
Your answer is right.
Yeah, it's green.
Order.
It's
The order.
It says the universal set is the set that contains all the elements being considered in a given discussion or problem. For example, if a discussion is on the color of U.S. cars by model, the universal set might be models of all U.S. cars. And I put it, and it got me a right answer.
Yeah, your B is the same with my A.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So, yeah. So when we look at the same question, we might look at the same type of question but in different versions. The numbers might be
Yes.
different. If it's multiple choice question like this, the order of the answer choices might be different.
Yeah.
Okay.
We choose the correct answer below. What's a Venn diagram? How is it used? Yeah. With my screen, I know it's small. Yeah, look at mine and tell me which answer. How about C? Did I see?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, one more. And we'll finish this section. Since A intersect B is A, we have this. Because the A and B of this one is empty. A and B of D is B. A and B of C is the overlapping part. Only that. All right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So that's section 2.3. Yeah. And again, look at the syllabus. Look at the tentative schedule in the syllabus. If you follow that schedule, you are not falling behind. You're not falling behind. We should start chapter 3 today. Actually, this week is for chapter 3. Okay. I hope to finish chapter 2 tomorrow, and then on Wednesday we're gonna work on questions in chapter 3. Feel free to email me if you have any questions. All right. Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow.
All right. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. No problem.